What's up, creators? It's your boy, Mad Mike, and on today's episode, we're gonna throw some fat tires on the 1970 Plymouth Duster. So stay tuned and check it out. Holy fuck. Fuck, for real? Ah. Okay, try this again. All right. Yeah! All right. Woo! Did it. Got one side on. Yeah! I did it. Woo! That was a lot of friggin' work. I got the first rim and tire all seated and beaded. Man. All right, got one done. We got this one to put on this rim here. Unfortunately, it's got a tire mounted to it, and the previous owner used some caulking or contact cement or something to adhere it, and I cannot break this loose. I've tried pounding it with sludge hammers and pickle forks, and I just can't get it loose. So I resorted to cutting the tire in half. I'll make a wall piece out of it or a floor mat. And if you look inside here, if you look down inside there, you can see just how battery just died, got a new battery. But if you look down in there, this thing here is literally fused to the rim. So I gotta try to cut this all off and rip this tire off so I can get that on this rim and mount these new drag street radials, pro street tires onto the 1970 Plymouth Duster. So let's cut this friggin' tire off, make a cool wall piece or floor mat out of this old Hoosier tire, and the job will be done. This thing is kicking my ass, guys. The steel braids inside here, there's so many of them. I'm cutting away. Let's see if I can get this to focus. You can see all these steel braids here. It's glued to the rim like crazy, so I'm just trying to tear this off so I can rip off the rest of that bead, because it is fighting me, but we're getting somewhere. Oh, yes! I fucking got it. Oh, get off my... Let go! Yes. Okay. Well, that was a frickin' mission. Finally got through cutting all the steel braiding on the edge of this tire here, and you can just see the amount of glue that was bonding this bead to the rim. And let's go ahead and clean up both sides of these rims and finally mount it to the big 33 by 18 by 15 tires that I got for these Weld racing wheels. This friggin' kicked my ass, this Hoosier tire, so I'm definitely gonna be holding on to this and mounting it to the wall in the new Mad Lab when we get it, just as a reminder that perseverance, patience, and hard work pays off. So my girlfriend has been messaging me saying, you can do it, you got this. Guess what? I did do it, and I do got this. Done. I got both Weld rims and tires mounted. That was a frickin' mission, but we did it. Let's jack up the car and see if these actually fit underneath the rear tubs. Well, they fit. I'm gonna have to lower the back end though. I originally raised the back end because I kind of wanted a street machine, street freak look to this Plymouth Duster, but with it being jacked up like this, you can see just how close it gets to the back quarter area here. It does clear, and I could cut this out more if I wanted to, if I want to keep that raised up back end, but I might just drop it and suck that wheel up into the tub. But I don't know, I kind of like seeing the tire. I'm building this for looks, not for performance right now. So let's go with that. Let's get the other side on and see if we can see what it looks like from the back side. Wicked. Well, we got both rims and tires mounted to the rims, and we got both tires and rims mounted to the car. The Duster now has a set of 33 by 18 by 15 inch drag radials that are DOT rated, street legal. Let's go ahead, let the jack down. This one here fought me a little bit more on this side. I had to kind of peel out the quarter panel a little bit to clear that side there, but they fit. Let's go ahead and drop the jack down and see what the car looks like. All right, let's go ahead and drop down the jack, see what the car looks like. Woo! It's freaking wicked. This is so wicked. Check that out. This is looking so old school. I absolutely love it. Got a little bit of clearance, which is good. I'm surprised that they fit that nice, but yeah, the guy that owned this car before might have had like 31s on here. He might have had 33s, but just tucked way up inside. So what I want to do next is just open up the garage door, push it outside, so I can get a visual of what this back end with the 18-inch wide tires look like. Check that out. That looks so rad. Sheesh. Digging that. Let's go ahead and push it forward a little bit so I can see what it looks like from the back end. Beautiful. Talk about Girth Nation. Look at this. What? That's what I'm talking about. 18-inch wide, 33-inch tall on a 15-inch weld wheel. How dope is that? We got good clearance all the way around. I might not even have to do much trimming, but that is the money shot. Wicked. So cool. There's the money shot. Dun, 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 dun. Plymouth Duster with the 440 big block sitting right there that we're gonna be throwing in. This is out of a motorhome RV, and it's from 1979 or 78. We're just gonna throw it in just like this. Then we'll start hopping it up after the fact. I just got it on my engine run stand that I built right now. Fires up, it runs good. It's got only about 11,000 original kilometers, and then the RV was parked, so this is a low kilometer 440 out of a motorhome that we will be shoving into the Plymouth Duster, also known as the Plymouth Valiant. Yes, I worked so hard to get this look, and I finally have it. It paid off. Huge. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. All right, creators, that's gonna be it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.